Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious Mangalore style prawn ghee roast, and this tastes so amazing. The taste of this is so different and unique, so you should definitely give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a bowl I have taken 250 grams of cleaned and deveined prawns. To that I am adding half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. I also added juice of half a lemon. Give everything a good mix. Let it marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Now in a pan, take 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 8 to 10 black peppercorns and 4 to 5 Kashmiri Red chillies. Roast on medium flame till aromatic and then allow it to cool down. After it's cooled down, transfer it to a blender jar. To that add 10 to 12 cloves of garlic and 1 inch ginger. Also add 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste. Add 2 tablespoons of water and blend to make a paste. Keep it aside. Now in the pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and add the prawns. Saute till they turn golden. Take out in a bowl and keep aside. In the same pan, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. To that add 1 chopped onion. Saute till the onion turns golden. Then add the prepared paste. Mix and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of curd and 1 teaspoon of jaggery. Mix and cook for 2 more minutes. Next add the prawns. At this stage also add 6 to 8 curry leaves. Mix everything well. Cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Our prawns are perfectly cooked and the gravy looks so delicious. Now add chopped coriander leaves and give it a final mix. And our yummy Mangalore style prawns ghee roast is ready. The taste of this is so different and tastes so good. So if you are bored of the regular prawn curry, then you should definitely give this a try and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.